Hello, what's up today? In this video I want to show you how you can safeguard your WhatsApp from being hacked. Once you have logged into your WhatsApp account, you are going to head over to these three dots here. You click on it and click setting. You click on this setting. Then you are going to click on this account. After that, you head over to this two-step verification. Then you are going to enable it. My own is already enabled, that's why you are seeing disabled. If you have not yet enabled it, you will see enable here, so you will click on this point to enable it. Then you will be asked to enter your PIN and your email address. You enter your PIN twice to confirm it, then you also enter your email address twice to confirm it. And once you have done that, anytime you are logging into your WhatsApp, they will ask for your PIN. So if any hacker wants to hack into your account, that is where they will get stalked, because they won't have access to, they won't know the PIN you use, so they cannot log into your account. They will be unable to hack your account. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video. Bye.